My name is Mark Campbell. I am former regional chairman for Region 1. I have been campaign manager in the last 7 general elections in this constituency. I am happy to be endorsing Comrade Mark Golding for the position of leader and president of the People's National Party. I am doing that because I have interacted somewhat with Mark since he has stepped into the public domain. I find him to be a very approachable person. I find that he is competent. I have looked at him. I have examined him. I have read about him. I understand that in all his undertakings, he is someone that is trustworthy and has integrity. I also had the good fortune of meeting his father, who worked and established the Mona Rehab, now Sir John Golding Rehab Center. And when I look at his father and I see Mark, I know he has the kind of background that is going to help him to serve people and build the kind of People's National Party that Norman Manley and Michael Manley wanted. If we want a party that has the character that our founding fathers had, I think Mark is the man. On November 7th, I will be voting for him, and I urge all delegates to vote for Mark Golding.
Go with Golding.